Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. If your screen device is like this, and then you can remove it by doing the following steps. First, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and then here you can choose to tap display option. Well, and then here you can select eye comfort shield and turn off it by tapping this button. Okay, after that the yellow screen on your device has been removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.